Hi there. Alrighty, so today I want to hop in here and chat a little bit about my favorite tool, Dubsado. And most of you might already know, I really I feel like Dubsado is this amazing tool that is going to save you tons of time in your business. And so I am going to take a few minutes in today's video to share 3 ways that Dubsado can help get you back your time. All right, let's hop in. Alrighty, so today we are talking about Dubsado and 3 ways that it can get back time in your day and get you back your freedom in your business. And I truly feel that Dubsado is a key component in delivering a amazing client experience. And so, because I felt so strongly about how beneficial Dubsado is, I actually registered and passed the newly created certification program in Dubsado. So I am now proud to say I am a certified Dubsado specialist, and I can really get even more tools from Dubsado to make sure that I am helping my clients get the most out of Dubsado. And it also kind of helps my potential clients see that I've really invested in my time and efforts to make sure I really know the tool that I'm recommending and setting up for them. So, anyways, I am just happy to make my way into being part of Dubsado's certification program. So, getting into 3 ways that Dubsado can help you free up your time, I want to start with one of Dubsado's uh, biggest features. Like, there's a lot of variables in it. It gets a little complicated, but oh my goodness, it is amazing. So the first way that Dubsado can help you free up your time is workflows. So workflows are basically automations. And whenever I say automations, it doesn't necessarily have to be completely automated so that you sound like a robot. You can build out these steps and have them set to approve so that you can customize it before it actually gets sent to your client. So you've really got the structure and the foundation to start with, and you can add to it to give that little bit of customized experience for your clients, so you don't feel like you're just sounding robotic and that they're just another person on your list, that they're not really an individual. And so I feel like having that personal experience is important, and it's great that Dubsado allows you to set up an automation and still be able to customize it. So whenever I talk about workflows, there's a variety of things that can happen in a workflow, from changing a status automatically for a client as they go through your onboarding process, to having them complete a questionnaire as soon as they've booked a discovery call or their kickoff call with you. So those are just a teeny tiny bit of the iceberg of what workflows can do. And I'm not going to get into all the details here, but definitely workflow helps you integrate a customized client experience while keeping that process streamlined. And it keeps you from reinventing the wheel with every single client. So that's the first way that you can get back a ton of time using Dubsado. The second way is a scheduler. And so I'm sure you have heard about different schedulers out there. There's a variety of ones that you can choose from. But a scheduler is basically, you can send over a link, a person can find a time that is available on your calendar, and they book it. And so the great thing about using the Dubsado scheduler, you can integrate it with other pieces of Dubsado so that they complete a form when they're booking the call, or they could even make a payment whenever they're booking that call with you. If it's just like a one-off session that you charge a certain amount for, they can make that payment as they're booking that call as well, to make that process really streamlined for you. Another great thing about schedulers is that you can have automated confirmations. You can have automated where you integrate it with Zoom, and it includes your Zoom link in the email reminders, and on the add to calendar button that generates in your email confirmation reminders, they can easily add it to their Google Calendar and have all those details included automatically on that event on their calendar. And so that should help decrease missed appointments and delayed appointments because they can't find the Zoom link. So that's one piece of the scheduler. Another great piece of the scheduler, whenever you have it actually built into a workflow, you can trigger a step to happen after an appointment ends. So that could be a variety of things, but that's just kind of a piece of the beginning of how you can pull a scheduler into a workflow as well. So basically, schedulers really help your meeting scheduling become seamless and automated, so that you are not having to manually figure out dates. It connects with your Google Calendar, so it can automatically see your availability, and you don't like double book or have things that are conflicting on your scheduler outside of your actual appointments. I make sure like everything that's happening in my day gets added to my Google Calendar to make sure that I am making a seamless experience getting an appointment on my calendar. Alrighty, so that was the second way. Now, the last way I'm going to talk about is it integrates a few pieces, but number 3 is proposals. And so proposals use a few different features of Dubsado where you can create packages, you can integrate your contract and invoice to a proposal. And so whenever you're creating a proposal and you have a set of several different packages you want to offer your client, and maybe you have some add-ons, so additional services that you would like to offer them that they might not know that you even have available to them, that would really complement the service that you will be providing in one of the core packages that they'd be choosing. It really helps streamline that process and maybe even bring in more revenue because you're getting more add-ons purchased by your clients. And so the way a proposal works, you can either create a public proposal, so it's living on either your website, or you just share the link where that person does not even have to be in your Dubsado. And so if that proposal gets sent out, they can complete it. It creates a project for them. It sets it up to where they can sign their contract and pay their invoice all with that one link. So that makes that process super, super streamlined, and you're not doing any of the data entry. If you do need to customize a proposal, that is very possible, where you can actually have just your proposal template and you customize it as you're needing to do for each of your individual clients within their project. But a proposal really streamlines the process so that they can easily select their packages. They can sign their contract in the next step and pay that invoice, whether it is a deposit or the pay in full balance. So all these pieces can be integrated in Dubsado using various features that Dubsado has to offer. All right, so Dubsado has a ton of features, but I wanted to touch on the 3 ways that I feel like you can really get back a ton of time in your Dubsado. And I think we could all agree that we could definitely use more time in our day, and having systems in place is definitely a way to get back some of that freedom that you really desire in your business, so you don't feel like you're in it every single minute of your day. And you can really focus on your zone of genius. You don't have to focus so much on all these more mundane kind of pieces that are very much a necessity of your business. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, of course, click subscribe or like and share your feedback with me. If any chance you have a few more questions or want to dive into how you can get the most of your Dubsado, feel free to reach out and book a free call and we can chat about it. All right, see you next time.